Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my deep conditioning day. I will be using the Naturalhair butter leave-in conditioner, which helps repair damaged hair, and actually it just makes your hair well moisturized and easy to comb, and helps with growth as well. Alright, so I've sectioned my hair into 4 and I'll be starting with the back section. This is just right after the shower. Remember from my previous video I told you that I will be doing some deep conditioning, and then I'll just put like some loose waves on my hair. Pretty much that's what this video is all about. Okay, so at this point I'm so happy because my hair is not that tangled. You can already see the results from the hot oil hair cream that I used in my previous video. After combing, I start applying from the ends, applying the moisturizer all up to the scalp. So make sure you massage the product thoroughly, the moisturizer. You really have to evenly distribute it. That's why I'm also using a comb to just make sure that it's properly combed, there are no knots, it's not tangled, and then I will twist it. So if you want to have like tight curls, you have to like really twist it or braid it like very tightly, but I'm looking for that loose wave look. So I'll just keep on doing the same process throughout the sections. Once you apply the moisturizer on your hair, you will instantly feel a difference. Trust me, you will definitely feel a difference, and it will be so easy to comb your hair. Pardon me guys, I don't really know how to section my hair using a comb. Like I mentioned that I'm not a hair guru, but I'm just a learner. So if your hair is dry during the process, make sure you always have a small bottle of water to just spray and keep your hair moisturized. Make sure that you massage your scalp as well. It's such a long process, but then it needs patience. And if you're looking for a defined look, you can actually use the curl activator, but then I just didn't want to use a lot of products on my hair since it's in recovery mode. You can see guys, now I'm using the brush. You can really see how smooth it is and easier it is to comb the hair after using the moisturizer. Finally, I'm on my last section, and wow, at this point I'm so happy with my length though. Yep, moisturize. I think I used a lot of product in this video, but well, it's for my own good. So yeah, I feel like sometimes the more product you really use, especially when it comes to leave-in conditioner, the better it is for your hair. I'm so excited. Look at how easy it is to comb my hair. It's not so easy. And you can already see the curls. Look at that. Now that we're done, I'm just rubbing the product into my hair. At this point, my hair feels so good and the scalp feels so great, and I experience little hair shading, as you can see. Alright guys, so this is just a couple of hours later. Yeah, I know I didn't really section my hair properly, but I'm sure I'll get better with time. So look at the curls. They're actually, they're pretty much defined, and I'm just going to be splitting each section into 4. One section will give me like 4 curls. Alright guys, so now as you can see, this is pretty much the final look. I didn't really make my twists so tight, that's why the curls are very loose. As you can see, the front curls are not so defined. I'm sure next time I'll try to do it with a curl activator, but I'm just trying to be a minimalist when it comes to products that I use right now until my hair is fully repaired. Oh child, look at that. I really like the density of my hair. I really like how it smells. I really like just everything at this point. I'm so happy actually, and I think I see myself doing more of this by myself. If I wasn't in quarantine, really, I'll just throw on a cute outfit, put on my glasses, and I think it'll be a cool hairstyle to rock outside. Alright, so now it's time for the gel. I use the Eco Styling Gel. I once mentioned before that I hardly do these. I'm not so good at baby hairs, so I'm just so basic when it comes to baby hairs. I really like the volume, and my hairline isn't that damaged. Since I kept my braids in for 3 months, I thought my hairline was going to be a mess. I'm pretty much feeling myself. So let me know if you want me to define my curls next time, and I'll definitely do that. Now I'm doing a length check. Pretty good, and we hope in the next few months it'll be longer than this. Okay guys, pretty much that's it from my wash day. Instead of doing this wash and go, I decided to do these loose curls, and I think they actually came out pretty good, and it will be easier for me to comb my hair once I am done with this look. Oh, anyway guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Leave a big thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding hair, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. If you have any tips, please share them with me, and I'll be so happy to learn from you. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.